everyone, I'm Pamela and I'm on my health journey and I'm doing 75 hard challenge and I'm on my 10th day. So I'm here to share a review. The first week I should have shared it on the 7th day itself, but somehow I couldn't. So I'm here to share the first week's review here. What are the difficulties that I faced? I'm going to share those. The first one is I was little anxious, little tiring it was for me because I thought there were so many tasks that I need to complete every day, and yeah, I was little restless as well. The next thing was a weekend because I have faced the whole week, Monday to Friday, then the weekend. I started it on 6th of October, which was a Monday. So the weekend was really difficult because I want to socialize with my friends, and socializing without food is so difficult. Next is the water intake. I drink generally a lot of water, but then I couldn't figure that how to balance that water, the gallon of water that I need to have to balance it throughout the day. So I ended up drinking a lot more water and peed throughout the day and night. It was terrible. Next is I'm vlogging each and every day, so I need to edit and post on the same day itself because I wanted to be accountable. I wanted to journal that whole thing. So it is little difficult, finishing all the tasks that you need to, and then doing your work that I am into, like my professional thing, then editing the vlog and posting it little difficult. So the food, because I wanted to eat homemade food and I cook it myself because I know what to put, how much oil, how much whatever to put, and then lot of time of mine is going in the kitchen itself and then thinking what to cook, what to eat and stuff like that, and grocery shopping, what I need to buy and stuff like that. On the first week the weather was really bad. Some days it was raining and I went, if you are following me, you could see that I went with the umbrella only. So yeah, that. Next is criticism. People are definitely criticizing, which I was ready, but yeah, that is there. Next is too much of gyan. You should not be doing this, you should have done that instead. So too much of gyan. Next is my sleep schedule because I wanted to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours, but because of long working hours, because of some invitation or the demise in the family, so there were so many things that was messing up with my sleep and I couldn't figure it out. Last, then most important, is self-doubt, that whether I'll be able to achieve this, whether I'll be able to complete this. These are the 10 things that I faced, and definitely I've come up with some solutions, and that I'll be sharing on the next video.